How to make loading lines animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background in a rectangle node and connect them to each other and to Media Out. Select the background and change its color. Select the rectangle and set corner radius to 1, and in the viewer resize it to have a narrow rectangle like mine. Drag the rectangle a little to the bottom. Select the background node, press Shift plus space, search for duplicate, and add it. Set number of copies to 10, and angle to around 36 degrees. Also, to add delay between bars animations, set time offset to -2. Now select the rectangle node and move the playhead to the start. Set level to 0 and click on diamond button next to level to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 10 and set level to 1 to add another keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 20 and set level back to 0 to add the last keyframe. Now open up Spline panel and check the rectangle checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to set the animation to repeat so it repeats for the entire length of the composition. While duplicate node is selected, press Shift plus space, search for soft glow, and add it. Search for color corrector and add it. Right-click on the hue property, and choose Modify with Shake. Now go back to Edit page, drag the composition into Timeline, and adjust its duration.